Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some important notes, some concepts of the chapter. First, Dalton gave atomic theory. Because in this chapter we have discussed about atom also. Many times the word atom arise. So, if somebody asks who gave the theory of atom, then you have to say it is Dalton. Dalton gave atomic theory. Second one, hydrogen is the most abundant element present in the universe. Hydrogen is the most abundant element. Helium comes on second number. After hydrogen, helium comes. Man-made elements are also known as synthetic elements. 92 elements are natural while the remaining one are man-made, like francium. In earth crust, oxygen is present in 46.6%, while silicon is present in 27.7%. In plants and animals, oxygen 65%, carbon 18%, hydrogen 10%, nitrogen 3% is present in plants and animals. Mercury is the only liquid metal. All metals solid form, but it is mercury. Symbol of mercury is Hg. Mercury is the only liquid metal. Sodium and potassium both are metal and both are soft. They can be cut with knife. Clear? In our earth crust, aluminum is present 8.3%, while iron is present 5.1%. Clear? Sound produced by बेंडिंग ऑफ टिन फॉइल. जब हम टिन को बेंड करते हैं तो उससे जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है उसको बोलते हैं बेटा टिन क्राई. CRY, टिन क्राई. ब्रोमाइन is only known metal which is liquid. Bromine is only known metal which is liquid. Iodine, that is a known metal, have luster. Because known metal does not have luster, but iodine, that is a known metal, have luster. Graphite, that is also a known metal, is a good conductor of electricity. Diamond, that is a known metal, is the hardest substance of the world. In total known metal, that is 22. 11 are in gaseous form, 10 are solid, while 1 are in liquid form, that is bromine, as I told you. Is it clear? Only homogeneous mixture are called solution. Okay. Tincture, iodine, that is an alloy, you can say, or a solution having iodine plus alcohol. When iodine and alcohol both get a solution, that is called tincture iodine. Brass is an alloy having copper and zinc. Copper 70% and zinc 30%. Bronze मतलब कांसा और ब्रास मतलब पीतल. ब्रॉन्ज मेडल बोलते हैं ना. कॉपर 90% एंड टिन 10%. टिन का सिंबल है बेटा SN. सोल्डर वायर, जो ये इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस में टाके लगाने काम आती है. लेड एंड टिन बोथ आर इन 50-50%. So these are the some key points, or you can say additional information from this chapter that is being important for exam point of view, for competition exam. Tyndall effect. The scattering of beam of light by the colloidal particle is called Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect क्या होता है? The scattering of beam of light. लाइट का फैल जाना. जैसे आप लोगों को मैंने बताया था सस्पेंशन में जब हम लाइट पास करते हैं तो लाइट फैल जाती है, स्कैटर्ड हो जाती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड Tyndall effect. Clear? Now physical change. The change in which no new substance will form is called physical change. Physical change कौन से हैं? जिसमें कोई भी नई चीज नहीं बनेगी, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Physical change. For example, ice solid form में है, when it melts, जब ice melt होती है, then it convert into water. When this water get boil, it convert into vapor form. It means solid to liquid, liquid to vapor. On cooling, vapor become water and water become ice again. So you can see here a solid, that is ice, on heating you can say melting, it convert into liquid, and liquid on heating it convert into vapor form. On cooling, vapor change into liquid cool करने पर, and liquid change into solid. On further cooling it change into solid. Clear? Now the characters of physical change. It occur only in state. State means solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to liquid, liquid to solid, such type. No change in composition means chemical composition does not change, will not change, you can say. No new substance will form, substance remains same, only state get changed. These physical change are temporary change and they are reversible. Reversible means वो वापस हम लोग उसको obtain कर सकते हैं. No energy change occur in physical. जब भी कोई physical change होता है तो उसमें energy का कोई रोल नहीं आता. Clear? Now it's chemical change. The change in which constituents get changed. Chemical change कौन से होते हैं जिसमें हमारे पास substance की भी चेंज हो जाए और आपको नया सब्सटेंस मिल जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड केमिकल चेंज. फॉर एग्जांपल मैग्नीशियम, when we burn this magnesium in the presence of oxygen we will get magnesium oxide. Rusting of iron, formation of curd, दही, दूध का दही जम गया तो ये केमिकल चेंज बेटा. दही से दोबारा हम लोग दूध नहीं बना सकते. नाउ द कैरेक्टर्स. फिजिकल स्टेट may be changed, may be. Chemical composition will change, definitely it will change because it is the definition of the chemical change. New character will form because new substance will form, so new character will also form. It is a permanent change, it cannot be reversible. Energy gets changed during the chemical change. Change of energy will occur, either it can be exothermic or it can be endothermic. Exo or endothermic. So these are the few topics of your chapter that we have discussed today. Students, we discuss about the